Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create a sentiment analysis tool which extracts text from a URL and performs sentiment analysis on it. So we are going to build this tool on Python. So this would be our web interface because our tool will also have graphical user interface. Here is our web interface. So first of all we will display sentiment analysis on the text from URL. This with the main message, and here you can paste any URL that contains text. So here is a Wikipedia page. So what our program does is it extracts each sentence and calculates the sentiment and displays it to you. So the sentiment is in negative, meaning the sentence is negative. The sentiment is in positive. The if the sentiment score is in positive, the sentiment is positive, and if it's zero, it's neutral. So for our program, we are importing Streamlit, as this would be created. This will create our main web interface. After that we are importing text blob, pandas, beautiful soup, URL lib. All this will be used for taking the link from the user, then reading the web page, then getting the text from the web page and analyzing it using sentiment analysis. So first of all we will display the title using dot title function sentiment analysis on the text from URL. We are now defining this in our program. After that we are going to create a text box and ask the user to input their URL here. So the user will paste the URL in our text box, and then we are going to create a button known as analyze, which would start the sentiment analysis. So first of all our program will open the web page from the URL provided by the user and then read the web page using beautiful soup and extract individual sentences and store it in the result variable. After that we are going to use our text blob module to analyze those individual sentences and display its sentiment next to it and return it to the user. So now that I have explained you this program, now I am going to try and execute this. So for that, so here I am going to use Streamlit run sentiment URL app.py. So this should execute our program. So as you can see, this is the user interface of the website that we created. I have a URL on a Wikipedia article. So here is the URL that I open in another window. So verify that it extracts the correct sentences, and then I'm going to click on analyze. So here you can see it has extracted individual sentences and got the sentiment scores for each sentence. So here we can verify that all the sentences are correctly extracted. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.